Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we have two Hot Wheels cars right here. So today we're going to take a look at both of these then and now Corvettes. So to take a look at these, we have the Corvette C8.R from then and now. Then we have the Corvette C6R. They have the same deco. They're from then and now. So this is from then and this is from now. So here's the older version. Here's the newer version with the same. It's almost the same car, but for the it's the same color, but different car. Look at that, pretty cool, eh? C8.R, and we got the C6R. So first, let's take a look at the older one. See, I cut it off kind of. So like, what do you guys think? Looks pretty cool. Yeah. All right, let's crack her open. All right. I don't know. I like the smell. It smells like metal. I don't know. But like, take a look at that. Beautiful casting. So let's put it on the rotator. So taking a look at this car, it has a very nice ocean blue with some very nice white stripes going down the car. Has also some red outlines on the white stripes. And there's also one little mini stripe that goes down the car. Number 6 on there. I love the hood design. Has a bunch more details on the side. Number 6 and a brand there. Corvette with some gray 5 spokes. Pretty cool. We got the Hot Wheels logo right there. No back headlight tampos, but on the front of the car has a beautiful Corvette logo and some headlights. Look at that. Beautiful car, man. I love it. So, look at that. Very nice, guys. So, wow. Let's put it right here. So we have all of our garbage here on the side. Next one we got is the Corvette C8.R. So let's crack it open and see how it is. Alright. Alright, now take a look at this one. So we got the C.R. So let's take a look at it. I really love the aerodynamic like kind of design. It's like it goes like very sharp at the front. Has the same exact deco as the older Corvette we just saw. Has the white, lines going down the car with the red outline on the lines. Pretty cool back of the car. Has the mufflers there. Very nice spoiler with a little red on the sides of the car. Some gray rims on it. And it says number 8, but in a different kind of font. See, this one had a GNX right here, that little brand there, number 6. But this one has the number and the brand inside of the square. It says there you go, C8R with Hot Wheels logo on the side. But yeah, guys, take a look at that. It also has some hollow headlights, which is pretty cool, kind of like the Liberty Skyline. So pretty cool car. So let's put it on the rotator. Oh, we don't want it to fall. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and hold up. Hold up. I haven't done it in a while, wait. Hope you guys like and subscribe so I don't have to keep on saying like and subscribe, okay? So hope you have a good day and yeah, bye. I forgot one more thing. We have we have a Corvette bin now. So look at that, I'll crack it open. We have a Corvette case, so let's go and plop them in there. Or we can stack them instead. There we go. Now let's bring it forward. And we close. Oh, I don't want it to all fall out. There we go. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you like. Make sure to like and subscribe so I don't gotta keep on saying like and subscribe. So yeah, bye.